Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video. In today's Pinterest inspired makeup tutorial, we are going to recreate this stunning and special combination of velvet and soft brown eyeshadows. The glitter in this makeup adds an even more captivating touch. This eye makeup is super easy, so if you are interested in trying out this eye makeup look, make sure to watch the video until the end and let's get started. I use a light brown eyeshadow as the base and apply it all over my eyelid with a fluffy brush. Make sure that the entire eyelid is covered with this eyeshadow and blend it well with sweeping motions to ensure that there are no harsh lines. Next, dip your brush into the dark brown eyeshadow and apply 2 spots of this shade at the inner and outer corner of your eyelid. Then blend the eyeshadow well with a fluffy brush. My goal is to only cover the outer and inner corner of my eyelid with this shade, so focus on blending in these areas to achieve that effect. Next, I use this beautiful shimmery purple eyeshadow. I apply a small amount of the eyeshadow to the center of my eyelid using my finger and fully cover the center of my eyelid with this shade. It's time to focus on the lower lash line. Take a small brush and apply the dark purple eyeshadow to the outer corner of the lower lash line. Then continue applying it towards the center. I want to make the eyeshadow darker, so I will repeat the same process with the black eyeshadow. Next, I use white glitter powder and apply to the inner corner of the lower lash line with an eyeliner brush. I also applied along the natural curve of the crease, creating a beautiful curved line with the glitter. I absolutely love this makeup style. We finished the eye makeup by using liquid eyeliner. I will try my best to draw the eyeliner in the same style as the picture. I find this eyeliner style very attractive, and with practice you can achieve it too. Our eye makeup is complete. Here is the final result of my eyeliner. I also used false eyelashes to enhance the look. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. If you think this tutorial can be useful for your friends, feel free to share it with them. Additionally, if you're interested in makeup and beauty content, I upload tutorial videos of this style every week, so to not miss any videos, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
With you, just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you